Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable the screen recorder on Samsung Galaxy S23, and the method is the same also for Plus and Ultra. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to the top, swipe and swipe again, and here we have screen recorder. If you tap only on the writing, from here you can enable or disable the sound. You can enable also media and mic, and also you can select your video quality, high, medium or low. Okay, after you do this, just tap done, and now to start recording, just tap on icon. Again, you can enable or disable the sound, and also you can enable show taps and touches. Let's enable this, and let's tap start recording. You can skip countdown if you want, and now it's recording. Okay, and here we have a bar. Okay, let's tap on the edit. You can write if you want something here on or you can do undo. Okay, and also from here you can enable the selfie cam. I hope you see it's here. Okay, and you can put it on pause like this, and you can stop it. Okay, and now recording was saved. Let's go to the gallery, and here is what I recorded. Let's enable the sound. Let's tap on the edit. You can write if you want something here on or you can do undo. Okay, and also from here you can enable the selfie cam. I hope you see it. It's here. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you. Again, the screen recording is here in the top bar, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.